Welcome, today I'm showing how to check battery health information into XIAOMI Redmi 10C. First of all, open your Play Store and in search find Ampere application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Sorry, go back. When we open application, tap yes, I agree, close, and OK. Now need swipe on the right, and here in the second column on the top we got our health information, so our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.